This is the Kodak Instant Dock Printer, and it has 4x6 sheets. And I've picked a picture on this phone that I want to print. So I press the button and it activates it. So the beauty of this is any pictures you have on your phone, you can then print. So it does a prepare. It actually is some sort of scan. Then it starts to kick in. And this is the paper tray right here with the special Kodak paper. So now it's preparing. And the paper comes out. And then it's some sort of process where it does the yellow. You can see the yellow coming out. Then it goes back in. Then the magenta. And the beauty of this is any picture on your phone, you can print right away. You don't have to bring it and put it on a printer or download it somewhere. You can do it. So it goes to cyan. It's pretty ingenious. Kodak came up with a really good printer. So we got some really nice color there. Then it does some sort of the cyan. So just taking you, and now a protect. So let's see what happens. So this picture has been printed. There it is, it's done. And these little edges just tear off and you have an actual 4x6 picture. It's really nice. So highly recommended.